Gaze into the fire. Listen to the crackling sounds and smell the wood burning. Feel the heat soaking into your skin. Watch the glowing embers floating up into the night sky. Take a deep breath as you begin to be entranced by the dancing flames. Deeper and deeper and deeper into your subconscious. You are fully hypnotized by the moment. Fire represents purification, burning away the undesired thoughts and emotions of the day. Take a deep breath. Now release all of the thoughts and emotions no longer needed to be attached to you. Let the flames dance them away. Slowly come back to yourself, back to your conscious mind.